Good morning, children. Today we will start Science Lesson 8, Our Environment. In this lesson, we are going to study about pollution and its types and how we should save the environment. So, children, environment is everything that makes up the surrounding of a living being. So, it consists of a living thing and non-living thing. So it also includes the man-made things like cars, buses, roads, bridges. So we get all the things from the environment we need in order to live. The humans have carried out various activities to suit their needs that have caused changes in the environment. So humans have themselves become the greatest threat to the environment, and the harm caused to the environment is called pollution. Or we can say that addition of any unwanted and harmful substances to the environment that changes its quality is called pollution. The substances that cause pollution, they are known as pollutants. And this pollution has harmful effects on plants, animals and human beings. So children, now let us start with the pollution and its types. So we will start with the air pollution. So addition of harmful and undesirable substances to air as a result of the activities of human beings, it is known as air pollution. So now let us see the sources of air pollution. First one, smoke from the factories. Then smoke from burning garbages, then deforestation. So now let us see the effects of air pollution. So the effects, it may result in the diseases like lung cancer and asthma. It causes greenhouse effect and global warming. So now children, just now we have come across a word, greenhouse effect. So now we should know something about it. So I will tell you a story about this greenhouse effect. So one of my friend, he went to his grandfather's village to spend his winter vacation. So there he saw a house made of glass walls. I will show you the picture with glass roof. He also saw different types of vegetables and flowering plants which were grown inside the glass house. So the house remained warm during the day as well as night. So my friend, he was surprised that why these plants were grown in a special house. So children, so these greenhouses are built to grow plants in winter. The greenhouses trap the sun's heat, creating warm and moist condition for plants to grow. Some gases trap the heat of the sun in the atmosphere of our planet to help us survive. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. The most common greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide and methane. Without the greenhouse effect, the earth would be too cold for life to exist. So land, ocean and plants, they absorb energy from the sunlight. They release some of this energy as heat. So greenhouse gases, they absorb the heat and then send it back towards the earth. So without greenhouse gases, this heat would escape back into space. But children, as human activities are increasing the greenhouse effect, so when people drive a car or operate a factory, they burn coal, oil and other other fuels. So this adds extra greenhouse gases to the air, and the extra gases trap more heat. This has led to global warming. And global warming is the steady rise in the average temperature of the Earth's surface. Now let us know about the effect of global warming. The warmer weather could harm living things. It could also cause the polar caps, ice caps to melt. This would cause sea levels to rise. Plants, animals and buildings along coastline would be in danger. So if each one of us daily does our bit to conserve electricity, water, fuel, then think how much cleaner and greener our world will be. So children, today this much only. Please read the explained topic nicely. And if you have any queries regarding this topic, please message me in Campus Care. Thank you.